I've got a Blue Seal turbofan oven here, and the switch has been broken. I've already taken that off. I've had it before, so it's just this. You can get knocked quite easily, and it snaps, and then you end up having to get a whole new one. But I thought I'd show you how to sort it. Its model number is just here. So first thing to do is there's a screw which I've just taken out here, and it just lifts up. What I did is just took a picture of this, and then you know exactly where to put everything back into the same slot. We then have some, I believe I've got it just here, some 7mm nuts, so I'll just take them off and then I'll show you the next bit. These clips as well just squeeze together. So if I show you the first one, squeeze them. They can only go in one way as well, because they're, well, this one can't, but some of them, yeah, they can. Just here, look, they're flat, so they'll only go one way into the pins, so you can't get it wrong. And I'll show you the next bit. So I've unscrewed all of those, and it simply just pops up and off. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to put this section in. The part number is just there. It's the same for both modules. Checked on there. And we'll get that in now. You just push that through. There is a metal washer which you put in place. It's the same on both sides. So I just followed the same pattern, and then just screw one in lightly, get the other one in, and then you can go back over and tighten them up, and then you can flip it over. I just pushed this around here as they both join into the circuit next to each other, just here, and then you're not going to be blocking the screens. If you forget which way the motherboard was, it's easy. There's only one way it can go because of the clocks. And we'll go in there. Slide in, and then we can add the bolts back in next. So I've tightened them up. I only did them sort of finger tight, as they've got self-threading, self-locking nuts on them. The bottom one goes to the bottom one on the board. Slots in. And that one goes to the top one. And we're going to plug the rest in. Once you have got the first one in, the rest kind of just line up. Just slot in. Just put the earth in, and this one goes into the bottom one. It's a good idea just to take a picture, but I have done it all for you there. And then we're going to screw it all up and test it. Plug it in, and as you can see that's working. Just test it now. I would normally unravel the whole. Yeah, there you go, it works. All good. Do unravel the extension lead if you're ever going to do anything like that, as they do tend to blow, especially as they're going to get very hot. It's only as I'm just doing a quick test. Thank you very much. That was fixing the temp control on a Blue Seal fan, turbo fan oven. Thanks.